In the fast-paced world we inhabit today, the concept of community has taken on even greater significance. While urban areas often face challenges in fostering genuine connections among individuals, villages stand as beacons of strong communal bonds. The sense of community in village life is a remarkable attribute that contributes to the well-being, support, and overall quality of life experienced by its residents. This essay will delve into the multifaceted nature of a strong sense of community in villages, exploring its benefits and the profound impact it has on individuals and the collective fabric of society.
Solidarity in times of need.
The steadfast camaraderie shown by village people in times of distress is one of the most outstanding characteristics of village life. The close bonds formed inside a village generate a feeling of communal support, whether facing a natural disaster, a personal tragedy, or a local issue. In times of trouble, the villagers band together to weather the storm by combining their resources, knowledge, and emotional support. Mutual assistance not only reduces individual burdens but also deepens the ties that unite society.
Genuine connections and relationships.
Genuine connections and relationships can grow well in the context of village life. Residents have plenty of opportunities to meet, converse, and form deep bonds because of the smaller demographics and close physical proximity. Because of the natural intimacy, people can get to know and understand their neighbors. These genuine connections go beyond simple acquaintanceship and produce a sense of connection and belonging that is frequently difficult to find in larger urban areas. In a village, people are more than just passing by, they are actual people, and this sense of importance enhances the sense of community.
Active participation and engagement.
Villagers who feel a strong sense of community are more likely to participate and interact. Residents are encouraged to get involved in neighborhood issues through volunteering, attending neighborhood events, or joining neighborhood organizations. Residents of the village have a stake in determining the future of their neighborhood, and this shared duty promotes a sense of civic participation and pride. The collaborative efforts of the villagers foster a lively and thriving community fabric through the planning of festivals and cultural events as well as the resolution of local problems.
Supportive networks and social cohesion.
Villages are the epitome of social togetherness, fostering networks of assistance that improve the general well-being of their inhabitants. These networks include not only close relatives and friends but also the larger neighborhood. Knowing that there is a safety net created by the combined efforts of their fellow villagers provides comfort to those in need. The support and compassion within the community are unmatched, ranging from organizing fundraisers to raise money for medical treatments to offering a helping hand at trying times. This sense of support and belonging enhances not just the quality of life for each individual but also builds community resilience as a whole.